Inside this factory, massive python skeletons are transformed into longevity supplements used around the world. What looks impossible at first is actually a carefully controlled industrial process. Let's step inside. Adult pythons arrive under strict transport and hygiene protocols. Each animal is visually inspected to ensure it meets size, health, and processing standards before entering the production line. Before any internal processing begins, the snakes pass through high-pressure washing tunnels. These systems remove dirt, surface bacteria, and organic debris, preparing the animals for precise mechanical processing. Clean input materials mean safer final products. Specialized machines carefully separate the outer skin from the body without damaging internal structures. The remaining tissue is stripped away using controlled mechanical systems. The skin is diverted for separate industrial uses, while the core material continues along the main line. Nothing goes to waste. Skeletons are transferred into large stainless steel tanks.
The automated system ensures complete cellular removal, preserving the delicate structure. Batch 007 is finalized,
where heat, pressure, and approved cleaning agents remove residual fats and proteins. This step is essential for purity, stability, and long shelf life.
Advanced robotics scan the delicate structures, ensuring perfect integrity. Our technicians monitor the process closely.
The cleaned skeletons undergo whitening and mineral purification.
Here in the cleaning chamber, our technicians use sterile water to meticulously prepare the python skeletons for articulation.
This process enhances appearance and ensures the mineral structure is suitable for supplement production. Only fully purified skeletons advance.
The alignment on the anterior vertebrae is nearly perfect, confirming the high integrity score we see on the screen.
Moisture is the enemy of quality. Skeletons are dried in temperature-controlled chambers until precise humidity levels are reached.
Check the humidity levels on chamber 3.
Stable at 40%, the cycle status is nominal.
Good, we are ready for the next batch.
This prevents microbial growth and ensures efficient grinding. Once dry, the skeletons enter industrial grinders. High-speed rotating blades reduce the material into an ultra-fine mineral powder. Particle size is continuously monitored to meet strict specifications. The powder passes through vibrating sieves that separate coarse particles from fine powder. Only material within the approved size range moves forward.
We need to ensure the airflow remains consistent across all trays.
Okay, adjusting the intake valve now. The readings look stable.
The powder undergoes final sterilization using controlled heat or steam. This step eliminates any remaining microorganisms, making the product safe for encapsulation.
Batch 92 is showing a lower density reading than the previous run.
Reroute it for secondary analysis.
Each capsule receives the same measured dose to ensure consistency across every batch. The purified powder is automatically dispensed into capsules. Random samples from every batch are tested for purity, moisture content, and structural composition.
In this highly sterile environment, the sealing machine precisely encapsulates the active ingredients, with the cycle progress closely monitored.
Capsules are weighed and sealed inside large food-grade pouches. These bulk packs are prepared for industrial distribution.
The batch ID 789B is running at peak efficiency, exceeding 65,000 capsules per minute with full quality assurance.
The count is exact for batch 7B.
Good, we can proceed.
Rather than retail display, only batches that meet all standards are approved for shipping. approved products are boxed, palletized, and loaded for global distribution. From raw skeletons to longevity supplements, every step inside this factory is engineered for precision, safety, and scale. This is how modern factories transform natural materials into advanced health products through science, engineering, and strict quality control.